Bart. I have to practice my saxophone, and you can't stop me.
Oh, yeah? My dear Lisa, you are 8, and I am 10. And in my 2 extra years on this planet, I've learned a few tricks. Give me that sax!
No!
I said gimme!
I said no!
Give me it!
No!
Give it! Give it! Give it! Give it! Give it! Give it!
Oh, Lisa, it doesn't look so bad. Lisa, honey, if it'll make you feel better, I'll destroy something Bart loves.
Hey!
Don't worry, son. If that bothers you, I'll destroy something Maggie loves. You don't remember how you got it? Bart was feeling mighty blue.
It's a shame what school can do.
For no reason, here's a poo.
Those were the days. And that, my children, is the story of Bart's first day of school.
Very nice.
Yeah. Don't!
The last copy was just signed out by, Hugh Parkfield. Oh, there he is.
Thanks for holding my book while I tied my shoe. I can read faster than you. Right here. I'll get a dictionary. You'll see when you get there the word stochastic.
First they hate each other, now all of a sudden they love each other. Oh, it doesn't make any sense to me.
Of course not. You're a robot.